Let's arrange some pepper soup for today's dinner. Pepper soup and mashed potatoes. That is what we'll be having. So I've got here goat meat, liver, and stripe. So all these proteins doesn't have the same cooking time. I'm going to cook this first and add others later. I've already washed my beef stripe. Now I'm going to cut it into bite sizes like this. Now I'm done cutting the stripe into bite sizes. I'm going to add salt and a little bit of seasoning cube and allow it to cook. I will cook the liver in a separate pot and this one in a separate pot. First, I'm going to allow this one to come to a boil. I will sieve it and wash it before adding to. Just keep watching. Salt, 1 seasoning cube like this. I'm going to stir and allow to cook. Now this is the beef, the goat meat and not beef, the goat meat and the liver. Now I'm going to combine everything together and add my pepper and pepper soup spice. Add my pepper soup spice. Some crayfish. And more water to cook the pepper soup. Now stir and allow to cook. You guys, I later changed the pot because the pot I started cooking with was small. I later changed it. Now I'm gonna add my scent leaf or curry leaf, anyone. Stir, and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the curry or scent leaf will infuse the flavor inside the pepper soup. Now let's check. Oh wow. The aroma is everywhere. Now it's ready. I'm gonna set it aside and cook my potato and that pepper soup.